This is what has been frustrating me for a long time. I'd get this F2L pair, and I would go like this. Move it in. That's what I would normally do, but this is a way faster way. This is facing left, so I move it right. It is now paired, and I just have to move it in. Here, let's put it into a more easy way to understand. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 moves. Just for that. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 moves. I found that out just recently. And it has been really annoying.